And here it is, guys. Today it's time to finally present you the future of AMG, guys. Here we have the Vision AMG. And in today's video, guys, I will be doing a full walk around video showing you this car right in front of me. So let's get a deep dive into the topic of today. So as you guys know, Mercedes Benz has already revealed, they told us that they are going full electric until the end of this decade where market conditions allow. So what does that mean for AMG or Maybach as their sub-brands? It means that they also have to change and follow this path. Mercedes has already presented a lot of very exciting fully electric products such as the EQS, for example, or the EQE. And we have also seen multiple Maybach concept vehicles which are fully electric, but we haven't seen anything super exciting from AMG nowadays. The only thing we have seen is the EQS 53, the EQE 5343, but in my eyes, these aren't as exciting because it's just, putting a Panamericana grill on it and a bit of a performance. But this right in front of us is a fully AMG developed electric vehicle. And this is the future of AMG. And here we have a concept, a vision car, the Vision AMG, guys. So I've been talking a lot of times recently with all the AMG guys about the electrification and what they're going to do, and they were all pointing onto this car. This is the future of AMG, the way they are evolving. This is the first step with the Vision AMG, guys. And let's just start with the walk around, and while I do the walk around, I will be also talking a bit more about this car right in front of me. First of all, it's just a vision car, a concept car, so no interior filming, just the exterior. And keep in mind, guys, this is not an official production vehicle, but I think it's very close to production serious. But let's get it on and start with the walk around, starting with the front. First of all, guys, the entire body of this vehicle is extremely muscular. You don't see any lines on this. The only thing you see are strong shoulders. This car is extremely dominant. A very low sitting car, a race car, a sporty car, an AMG. And looking at the front, you can also see the AMG initials. First of all, let's start with the headlights. And the headlights are something I find really interesting because this is something I see for the first time ever. We have the headlights inside and integrated in the body here, and the shape of the headlights instantly remind everyone of the Mercedes Benz star. We have three separate lights here shining like a star, and then we have the EQ specific LED bar connected with that, looking extremely nice in my eyes, and as well as the painted Mercedes Benz star on the bonnet, which we have also seen with the AMG 1 recently. I also love the very bold design here in the front. As you guys know, we have no engine, so the flow here is extremely progressive and nice and sporty looking. The front, we also have the illuminated here, the so-called Panamericana front, which is the face of the AMG nowadays, which we know, guys. Right now it's not illuminated. I mean, it's a demo car and it's overheated, but normally it's shining bright. In the front, we also have some carbon works, which we always know from AMG. This is the way we like it, carbon fiber. And in addition with the, I think it's high-tech silver exterior paint, it looks pretty nice. I just love the look of the silver arrow here. Looking at the side, you can instantly see that it's not a production vehicle yet, by the door frames and else. But looking at the wheels, you see how low it's sitting. We have some race tires here, and in addition with the Petronas livery here, with the Petronas green, the AMG and the stars, this car looks extremely cool in my eyes. Full black gloss finished wheels here, the aero wheels, 22 inches if I'm not mistaken, also with the nice AMG initials on the side here. Also the Falterbach badge, the AMG emblem, and here you can also see how it might look. I mean, I think we would have camera instead of side mirrors. Yet again here with the nice bold and strong looking shoulders, and the look, the flow, it's just extremely nice looking. And in addition with the Mercedes Benz stars, which we also know from, let's say, the Project 1, the AMG 1, or the GT Black Series AMG 1 edition, this is kind of cool. Yet again in the back, again 22 inches with the nice racing tires, all in all giving this the final touch. But guys, I'm honest with you, let me show you the rear, because this is AMG. Just look at this. In my my eyes, in the rear we can see a very successful design. I really like it. And yeah, let's just start with the taillights. I mean, the way they integrated the taillights here in the rear section, giving me EQXX and AMG 1 vibes. You see that, the nice transition and the flow here with the nice line. In addition, with the rear spoiler here, I also think you can lift this one up. We have the Mercedes Benz star here, also painted for weight reduction, obviously, something I really adore. And here, the rear diffuser, full finished in carbon fiber, in addition with the Petronas green. I really like it. Something I find kind of weird, but looks really cool since it fits the proportions, are these rounded exhaust tips. I mean, we have them on the AMGs nowadays, but normally we have 4 of them. But here on this thing, we have 6. And these are not exhaust tips, like typical exhaust tips, which we know. Instead, we have like brake lights integrated here, which kind of give the look of exhaust tips. But yeah, we have 6 of them. I wish we had like quad exhaust, but 4 of them. That would be way cool in my eyes. We have the AMG emblem here in the back as well, integrated with the nice carbon fiber diffuser finish. Nice aero here. I wonder what the aero drag coefficient of this car will be. But all in all, guys, how do you like the rear of this AMG, this Vision? So all in all, guys, how do you like the Vision AMG? Okay, guys, you want to hear my honest review? I'm telling you, first of all, AMG is way too late with this car. I mean, everyone is waiting for it and they are presenting a Vision. We want a production car. First of all, as soon as you see Porsche with their Taycan, is one of the best-selling Porsches, or Audi with their e-tron. I mean, they have created some very nice electric vehicles. AMG really has to push forward on that because everyone is expecting something emotional from an AMG, something full electric and emotional, something that makes sense performance-wise, okay? First of all, the rear is extremely nice. I love the body of this. I love the bold shoulders, the way it's extremely dominant and low-sitting. But with the front, I'm still not sure, guys. I'm really honest with you. It's a huge change for me seeing these kind of headlights, and I need to get used to it. Second of all, I think I have to see the car in full flash on a road or something to really get my final opinion. So how do you guys like it? How do you like the Vision AMG, the future of AMG? Please share all your opinions in the comment section below. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you all an amazing day. I will be back.